Is Blinzador Antifungal Spray really the miracle fix for stubborn nail and foot fungus, or is it just another cleverly marketed product full of empty promises? You've probably seen it advertised all over social media or sketchy-looking websites, boasting fast results, zero odor, quick-drying formula, and powerful plant-based ingredients. On the surface, it sounds like a dream come true for anyone struggling with embarrassing or painful fungal infections. But when we took a closer look, a lot of things didn't add up. The product heavily leans on dramatic before and after images that look almost too perfect to be real, raising serious doubts about their authenticity. Plus, there's no trace of clinical trials, certifications, or dermatologist endorsements to back up any of the bold claims. We also found that the company behind Blinzador seems to use aggressive, pushy sales tactics like fake urgency warnings and limited time offers to get you to buy fast without thinking. The reviews look suspiciously glowing, with little balance or honesty, which often signals paid or fake feedback. While some users might see minor improvements, there's no consistent or verifiable evidence that Blinzador delivers the kind of powerful results it claims. That doesn't mean it's 100% a scam, but it definitely falls into the category of buy at your own risk. If you're considering trying it, do more research and keep your expectations realistic. And if you've used Blinzador yourself, drop your experience in the comments. We'd love to know if it actually worked for you or not.